Today our focus is subtraction with regrouping with two-digit numbers. Now, first we'd read the problem and ask our students that they need to visualize in order to be able to see what's going on in this word problem, because a word problem tells a story of what is happening. Now, so we have Daniela has 37 stickers. And as we're doing this, you need to act it out, just extend your hands out and you make like a little bow and says, oh, Daniela has 37 stickers. She gives away 19 to Jonathan. So you put your hand in that bowl and you take those 19 away because she gives 19 away to Jonathan. How many stickers does Daniela have now? Okay, so now we ask the boys and girls, oh, what do we know? What do we know about this word problem? Oh, okay. Now, okay, boys and girls. So we know that Daniela has 37 stickers. Draw a little picture. Oh, okay, and that's Daniela. And I'm drawing this quickly because we don't need to know all the extra details. Oh, and who else is this story about? What's another of the characters? Oh, Jonathan. And what happens to Jonathan, boys and girls? Oh, okay. So, boys and girls, she gives 19 to Jonathan. Okay, so Jonathan now has 19. What else do you know, boys and girls? Oh, Daniel had 37. He had a whole bunch. You're right, boys and girls. And you know what? I'm going to draw what you know right here. Oh, okay. So Daniel had 37 and he had the most at first. But what happened? Oh, he gave some away. Do we know how much Daniela has now? No, we don't know how much Daniela has now. Oh, Daniela's. Okay. Now, and she gives 19 to Jonathan. Oh, what else do we know? Oh, that Jonathan has 19. Okay, boys and girls. What else do you know? Does anybody know something else? Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, what else do you know? Oh, you know that 37 is more than 19? That's true. Can I write it in words? Yes, we could. Could we write it like this, boys and girls? 37 greater than 19. Oh, you're right, boys and girls. Oh, you want to share some more? Oh, I'm sorry, we don't have any time, but we'll get to you tomorrow. Now, so as we go on, we now know that Daniela has 37 stickers. Okay, well, let's put this information in a number bun. Okay, now we've been learning about number buns. And we know that this is the whole. You're right, boys and girls. This is part. And what is this, boys and girls? Oh, the other part. Oh, okay. Now, so Daniela has 37 stickers. What would that be in our number bun? That's how much she has. Oh, that would be a whole. Okay. So 37 would be our whole. And she gives away 19. What would that be, boys and girls? Oh, a part. Okay. Now, do we know the other part? No, you're right. We don't know the other part. Now, as we're thinking about this, let's think. Let's think about solving an easier problem. If Violeta has 5 pencils. Show me 5 fingers. That's our whole, wouldn't it be? Because Violeta has 5, but she gives away 2. She gives away 2. Oh, what are you going to do with those other 2 fingers? Put them down because she gives it away. You don't have it anymore, do you, boys and girls? How many fingers were left? How many fingers are up? Oh, 3. How did you solve that? Did you say you subtract it? So you're right. We do have a subtraction. Now, here we had Violeta had 5. She gave away 2. And now she's got 3 left. And let's figure out, could we solve this to see if it makes sense? And we solved it correctly. Well, if we add 2 that she gave away, plus the 3 that were left, we get 5, don't we? We get the 5 whole. 2, remember she gave away 2. She gave it. 3 were left. Awesome, boys and girls. Just remember always to label your parts. Now, so now we're working with a first grade problem, and we're just working with problems with 2 digits. Now, same here. Do we have that part that's missing? Okay. So if a part that's missing, we know in our number button it's going to help us figure out that we have to what? Subtract. You're right. We have to subtract. Now, so now that we have 37 our whole, and we know we have to take away those 19 because she doesn't have them anymore. She gave them away. Now, imagine giving them away. Do you still have them? No. So what happened to them? They were taken away. They were given. Okay? Now, when we subtract, I want you to think about, that's when you give. That's when you lose it. That's when they're gone for some reason, or they're eaten. You don't have them anymore. Okay? That's when we subtract, because something is gone. It's taken away. Now, to understand the number 37, we know that we have 37. So we're only drawing the base 10 blocks for 37 because that's the amount that we have. We have 37 stickers that Daniela has. Now, so we're going to draw 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and one more, 37. Now, so we have, let's start to look at our problem. And we have 7 ones, and we're going to take away 9 ones. Now let's really look at our problem, okay? So we have those 7 ones, and show me 7 fingers for your 7 ones. Can you take away 9? Show me. Can you? Now remember, that's a very, very important first step, okay? Our first step is subtracting in the ones. Just like here we said we subtracted the ones. When we said 5, I take away 2, and it's 3. I'm subtracting in the ones place, okay? Same. Now, so I have my 7 ones, and we notice we can't take away 9. Remember to say take away whenever we see a minus sign. Okay, so we have 7, and we're going to take away 9, boys and girls. Oh, you say we can't do it. You're right. So what do we do, boys and girls? I want you to think about it. Share with a partner. Talk to your partner. What ideas do you have? How could we solve this as mathematicians that we are? Oh, okay. You thought about taking a 10, and we call this regrouping because we're putting it in another group. Re means to do again. So we're going to do again and put it in a different group. Now, could I put a 10 here? Just think about it. That doesn't look right, does it? Oh, so what should we do? Oh, boys and girls, you want me to break it into ones. And how many ones? How many ones makes that 10? Oh, 2? No, not 2. Let's count one. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and we get to 10. Okay, so now what I have to do, boys and girls, is take that away because it doesn't make sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 10 and the 7 ones that are already there. How many ones do I have now? Oh, you have 17. Okay, thank you, boys and girls, for helping me. Now, so now we have 17 ones. And we're going to take away 9. Can we do it now? Yes. Why? Because we have enough. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Now, so let's take away those 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We took away 9. They're not here anymore. We took them away. Now, let's see how many ones were left over. 3 and 3 more, 6. It's a double. 7 and 1 more makes 8. So 8 ones were left over, boys and girls. Now, oh, okay. How many 10s do we see on our place value chart? We have only 2, boys and girls. We only have 2. We don't have those 3 10s anymore. Thank you, boys and girls, for helping me. You're right. We only have 2 10s. Now, what's our second step? What should we do next? Oh, you mean our second step is to subtract in the tens place? Oh, you're right. So I have 2 10s, and I take away this 1 10, and how many were left over? 1 10. Oh, okay. So now we know that. What did we figure out, boys and girls? Oh, we figured out Daniela now has 19 stickers. So we figured out, oh, sorry, oops, hold on. She's got those 18 stickers. She's got 18 stickers. Okay, so Daniela has 18 stickers. Thank you. So now we try to look at our number bond and make sure that this makes sense. So let's put 18 right there. Now, would 18, the part 18 and the part 19, if we bring those together, would it give us the whole of 37? If we had more time, we'd go over that. And then that's when you go over regrouping by adding, because now they're checking their work. Okay? That's a beautiful thing about being able to. That's a beautiful thing about coming this way and checking their work. Now, Math in Focus says, I know in second grade, that you should teach both adding with regrouping, with subtraction with regrouping in second grade, because then that leads them to be able to understand numeracy and what's going on. Now, if you have time, you'd help the kids know that, okay, let's see, we figured out it was 18 stickers plus 19 more. And again, you draw your base 10 blocks. And if, draw your base 10 blocks and do it over again. Then you would, draw your base 10 blocks. Oops. There we go. Now, so we would have, the ones, the 10s. And now we have 2 parts. So because we have 2 parts, we have to draw both. Okay? We do have 1 10 and 18, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 4 and 4 more is 8. Then we have 19. So she had 18 left over and 19 she gave away. We're putting those 2 parts together. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now make sure your numbers, your base 10 blocks, are nice and organized so they look like math. You look like a mathematician, boys and girls. Now, oh my gosh. Oh, okay, yes. Making sure that you look at other people's work and praise it and make sure that their numbers look like a mathematician, so it's nice and organized. And I prefer to draw my units as the little cubes, but just like that little square representing that cube. Okay, so now, boys and girls, should I start in my ones place now. We really don't have time to go over everything, but we'll ask them. They start in the ones place, and should I start with the digit 9 or should I start with the digit 8? Oh, why, boys and girls? Oh, because 9 has more. Okay, so we'll go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so we have 17 ones. Could I draw 17 like that? Could I? Could I draw 17 here? Could I have 17 ones here in the ones place? No, the biggest digit we could have in the ones, you have to remember, is just a 9. It just goes up to 9, okay? Now, so what do we do, boys and girls? Oh, you mean I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I could have these 10 and regroup them. Move them to another group. And you're right, boys and girls. And I would do it in my place value chart, and I would do it in my tens. And I do it there, and I do it over there, and I do it everywhere. Remember that. Now, let's scratch that off to remember that I put it over here. Okay. Now, how many ones were left? 4 and 3 more, 7. Oh, you're right. Thank you for helping me. Now, what do I do? Am I finished? I think I'm finished. I'm not. Oh, okay. So now my second thing to do, my second step, I need to add in the tens place. Thank you for helping me. So we can see that we have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. So I have 3 10s. Okay. Oh, is that what we got in our whole? We sure did. So 19 that she gave away and the 18 that were left gives us the whole of 37, what she started off with. So we solved it correctly, boys and girls. Awesome job. Thank you for watching.